kamati mano mar od bura ma Senate motenore kod omenda ogwelo kendo e nyime gavana e county ma Kericho Eric Mutai to kod nyawadgi ma Isiolo Abdi Guyo toka ne girem chopo e nyimgi chieng' tich abich. Jotend county ariyogo idwaro mar mondo mi oyanga okenge ma counties go osekaw mar chopo kare ng'eto kod chik mano mar od buch Senate ewi lipot mar Janon Buge e hiko omenda mar higa mar 2023-2024.
This governor of Kericho must stand summoned to appear before this committee within the shortest time possible. Its contempt to the committee is contempt to Senate. And if they are not appearing, there must be justifiable cause for them not to appear. We must do what we must do to ensure that we finish with the audits for the financial year under review before the 31st of December.
We shall be here even if we have to sit over Christmas. We shall send summons even if you have to send them on the 31st or on the 25th or even on Boxing Day, because we've got a job that has to be done. Whatever we are doing is also time-bound, and the courts have reiterated that. And when it comes to 31st of December 2025, our consideration of reports for the 2023-2024 financial year will automatically come to a close.